Kia ora, detailing fans. Welcome back to Talbot's Auckland Auto Detailing. Today, I'm going to walk you through 10 common mistakes to avoid so you can keep your car looking its best. Let's get right into it. Mistake number 1 is using dish soap to wash your car. While it might seem convenient and cost-effective, dish soap is formulated to cut through grease and food residue, which is great for your dishes, but terrible for your car's paint job. Dish soap is too harsh for your car's paint and can strip away the protective clear coat. This clear coat is essential as it protects the paint underneath from the elements, including UV rays, rain, and road debris. Without it, your car's paint can become dull, faded, and more susceptible to scratches and other damage. Always use a pH-balanced car wash soap designed for automotive finishes. These soaps are specifically formulated to be gentle on your car's paint while effectively removing dirt, grime, and other contaminants. They maintain the integrity of the clear coat, ensuring your car stays shiny and protected. This type of soap is gentle on your paint, but tough on dirt and grime. It creates a rich lather that lifts away dirt without scratching the surface. Plus, it rinses off easily, leaving your car looking clean and glossy. So next time you wash your car, reach for a quality car wash soap and keep your vehicle looking its best. Mistake number 2, skipping the 2-bucket wash method. Using just 1 bucket spreads dirt around, causing scratches. The 2-bucket method, 1 for soapy water, 1 for rinsing your mitt. Dunk the mitt in the rinse bucket after each pass to release dirt. This keeps your wash water clean and your car's paint scratch-free. Mistake number 3, using the wrong towels for drying. Many people don't realize that the type of towel you use can make a huge difference in the appearance and longevity of your car's paint. Old towels can trap dirt and create fine scratches on your paint. These scratches may seem minor at first, but over time, they can accumulate and dull the finish of your car, making it look older and less cared for. They also leave behind lint, making your car look dusty. Lint particles can cling to the surface, giving your car a less than perfect appearance even after you've just cleaned it. Microfiber towels are super soft, absorbent, and designed to lift dirt without scratching. These towels are made from a blend of polyester and polyamide, which makes them incredibly effective at trapping dirt and moisture. Invest in a good set of microfiber towels for a scratch-free finish. Not only will they protect your car's paint, but they will also make the drying process quicker and more efficient. So, ditch those old rags and upgrade to microfiber towels for a pristine, polished look every time. Mistake number 4 is neglecting the wheels and tires. These parts of your car are often overlooked, but they play a crucial role in both the aesthetics and performance of your vehicle. Your wheels and tires are exposed to dirt, grime, and brake dust on a daily basis. Over time, this buildup can not only make your car look unkempt, but also affect the longevity of your wheels and tires. To keep them in top condition, use a dedicated wheel cleaner to break down stubborn grime. These cleaners are specially formulated to tackle the tough dirt that regular car soap can't handle. Spray it on generously, making sure to cover all areas of the wheel and tire. Let it sit for a few minutes to allow the cleaner to penetrate and loosen the grime. Then, use a soft bristled brush to gently scrub the wheels. This will help to loosen any remaining dirt. Don't forget to scrub the tires as well, as they can also accumulate a lot of grime. Rinse thoroughly with water to wash away all the cleaner and dirt. You'll be amazed at the difference a clean set of wheels and tires can make. Not only will your car look better, but it will also perform better. Clean wheels and tires can improve traction and handling, making your driving experience safer and more enjoyable. Mistake number 5, applying wax in direct sunlight. Wax heats up quickly and dries too fast in the sun, making it hard to buff out. This leaves streaks and an uneven finish. Always wax your car in the shade or on a cool, cloudy day. This ensures a smooth, glossy finish. Mistake number 6, using too much product. Excess product can leave a sticky residue and create streaks. Start with a small amount and gradually add more if needed. Follow the instructions on the label for the best results. Less is more when it comes to detailing products. Mistake number 7, forgetting to clean under the hood. A clean engine bay prevents corrosion and looks impressive. Cover sensitive electrical components with plastic bags. Use a degreaser specifically designed for engines. Spray it on, let it sit, and use a stiff, bristled brush to agitate grime. Rinse thoroughly for a clean engine bay. Mistake number 8, not protecting trim and plastic. Use trim protectant to create a barrier against UV rays, preventing fading and cracking. Apply it regularly to keep your car's plastic and rubber trim looking new. Mistake number 9, ignoring the interior. A clean interior makes driving more enjoyable and leaves a good impression. Regular vacuuming is key, but also use a dedicated interior cleaner. For leather seats, use a leather conditioner to keep them supple. Don't forget to clean the windows and mirrors. Mistake number 10, rushing the detailing process. Rushing leads to missed spots and a subpar result. Detailing is all about the details, which takes time and patience. Enjoy the process and pay attention to the details. The result will be a meticulously maintained car inside and out. And there you have it, 10 common car detailing mistakes to avoid. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and happy detailing! For professional premium car grooming services, please contact Talbot's Auckland Auto Detailing, your most reliable car detailing specialist in town.